Yo guys, so welcome back to our channel. So today's video we're talking about our stock, a UK stock that I thought could grow exponentially up to 3 times in the next few years. But before I get into the video, just a quick disclaimer. So I'm not a financial advisor, so don't buy a stock just because I said so. Make sure to do your own due diligence and do your own research. But yeah, let's just get into this video. Oh, also subscribe down below, give the video a thumbs up. But yeah, now let's get into the video. So the stock we're talking about is called Carnival, ticket symbol CCL. So Carnival is a cruise company. Price now is $12.30, which is £8.40. So Carnival, like I said, is a UK stock. It's a cruise company. So why invest in a cruise company? Well, personally, I feel safer investing in cruise companies over, let's say, airline, which have both been hit by the COVID. Because when you think about it, think of cruise companies. So what a cruise company, think of Sweet Life on Deck. So you've got entertainment, you got food, you got bars. If you've got kids, your kids can be looked after and you just pay more. And if you've got an airline, you just got your ticket and maybe your baggage, and that's it. So when you think of the money cruise company versus airline bring in, cruises bring in, they have more source of revenue to bring in money through entertainment, through food, through bars, childcare. So there's a lot of money in cruises. And who takes cruises the most? Families, older people. And let's take the elders, they're probably indoor the more than anyone right now because the whole COVID. So when, say, a vaccine becomes available and the outdoors open next summer, the year after, they're going to want to go on cruises and holidays, and that's when Carnival will come in. But yeah, that's just a bit about the company. They've got a market cap of 11.11 billion. Like I said, they took a huge impact with COVID. Prior to COVID, they were doing very well. They had a dividend, and now even that dividend is gone. But yeah, before I get into the positives, let me just talk about the negative. So due to COVID, Carnival did take out a huge loan, which obviously they're gonna have to pay back in the future. And like I said, there's no more dividend, which means a lot of buyers will have bought out of Carnival, and they might come back, but that might depend on the dividend coming back. But yeah, just a bit of positive about Carnival. So they did secure a lot of cash on hand, which can take them through up until next year, even next year, so 2021 summertime. So they've got a lot of cash in hand that can keep them going even though they're not operating at the moment. And also, like I said, people are eager to get back into cruises, like elders, families. So as soon as things are clear and maybe a vaccine become available, we can see people getting back into cruise. So you need to look at the long term of this play, especially at this cost base of $12.30. But yeah, let's just look at the 1 year chart for Carnival. So let me just get the 1 year chart up. So Carnival, prior to COVID, start the year in Feb time, Carnival was at its 40s, $40, 40 to 50, and it touched a high of $51. Then when COVID hit, Carnival dipped as low as $7. Yes, as low as $7. Then around June, when the economy was starting to get back up, as you can see, it went back up to $24. Then obviously now there's UK cases have started to increase, US cases have started to increase. So now it's at $12. We're seeing the same range as we were back in March, April time. So now Carnival is at $12, which I feel is, I don't think it will dip lower than $10 on this dip, but I feel like this $12 range is a very good buying price. But before you even consider buying into Carnival, just be aware that it is a spec play, just like Workhorse. So there's a huge benefits, but also a huge risk, because Carnival, you never know, could potentially even go bankrupt. So it's something to consider when investing in Carnival. But it's the same with basically every investment. It comes with risks and reward. The difference is, I feel like with Carnival, it's a very huge risk versus reward. You either gain a lot, you can, in the next, when cruises get back up and running, Carnival can easily get back to that $40 cost base, but it can also bankrupt. So it's that risk of 4 times in your money, or you could lose a lot of your money. So, but that's what it takes to be an investor. Like, not every investment is going to be a gain, but also you just need to weigh out the rewards and risks that you're willing to take. But my advice is, if you want to invest in Carnival, is don't invest money that you miss. So invest money that you can afford, not the money that you need next month to pay your phone bills or to pay off your rent. So yeah, just a few points. So like I said, Carnival is a high risk, high reward play, but I feel like at this price, $12 is a very good price. And I'll just put up here, so I was into Carnival back in August, then sold out, then I just bought back in. So I'll put a screenshot just up here. So yes, I've just bought back in at $12, and I plan on holding it for just for a while. So let's see how the stock market plays out, and just keep ear out for any news regarding Carnival. But yeah, so like I said, it's a great company, plus the price it's at now, I feel like that even decreases the risk. I don't feel like they're going to go bankrupt, but obviously it's your own risk versus reward, and you need to do your own research to come up with your own conclusion. But yeah, so the only way this stock is really going to get back on track track sooner is if a vaccine is introduced like it's planned for the summer of next year. Then even then, there might still be a capacity of 30 to 50% of the cruise, which obviously is less money. But if you think long term, the year after, when we can get back to 100% capacity, then Carnival can easily get back to that $40 cost base. But it's just really down to you and your risk versus the reward, and how much you're willing to gain and lose. But like I said, don't invest money that you miss, or obviously money is money, you miss money regardless, but just don't invest money that you need. But yeah, that's my personal advice. But personally, I'm gonna keep adding to Carnival. So I bought like over 20 shares today. I'm gonna buy probably another 20 on Friday when I get paid from work. So yeah, I'm gonna keep adding to my position on Carnival, because I think it's a great company, and I feel like it's not less risky than airlines, but a greater reward than airline. So yeah, that's my reasons for investing in Carnival and cruises. But yeah, that's the end of the video, and if you've got any questions, just leave it down below in the comment box. And also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. But yeah, thank you for watching the video, and we'll catch you in the next video.